So next question is that write the differences between level sensitive or level triggering mechanism versus edge triggering mechanism, right? The first point to be remember is level triggering we are using in the latch operation, where edge triggering we are using in the flip flops, right? So level triggering we are using in the latches, flip flop we are using the edge triggering mechanism. What do you mean by level triggering as well as the edge triggering? Means those are the clock signals. What is the meaning of clock signal? It should be 0 1 0 1 0, something like this. So 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, on off on off on off on, something. This is what we called as the clock signal. When clock equal to 1, then output will changes. When clock equal to 0, it will not change anything. That is the meaning of the clock signal. Now what is the difference between level triggering as well as the edge triggering? So this is my clock signal, right? So level triggering means if you are taking the output based on the 0 or 1, so here it is 1, right? So here it is 1, right? Here it is 1, right? This is 0, right? This is 0, right? So if you are taking the output based on the logic 1 or logic 0, then it is called as the level triggering. It means that level 0 or level 1 is called as the level sensitive operation or level triggering operation. All latches will work based on this level triggering. Now what do you mean by edge triggering? Again I am going to take the same clock signal only. These are we called as the edges. We have the two classifications of the edge triggering. One is called as the positive edge triggering, or one more name for this one is rising edge. Positive edge or rising edge. What is the meaning of positive edge or rising edge? Means if you see that this is the value what 0, this is 1, right? The moment if value changes from 0 to 1, it is what we call rising or falling. This is called as the rising edge. It means the changes the value from 0 to 1 is called as the rising edge. If you are taking based on this value, then it is called as the rising edge or positive edge triggering. See that 0 1 0 1 something, right? So here see that this is the edge which is changing from 0 to 1, right? So this is called as the positive edge. So next one, this is the value changes from 0 to 1, right? Positive edge, positive edge, positive edge. This is what, if you consider the output based on the positive edge, then it is called as the positive edge triggering. Now what is the meaning of the negative edge? The another name for the negative edge is the falling edge triggering. What do you mean by falling edge? Is that again if you take the same clock pulse value 1 0, right? If the value falls from the 1 to 0, right? So 1 to 0, then it is called as the negative edge or falling edge. If it is rising means 0 to 1, falling means 1 to 0. Falling or negative edge, positive edge or rising edge. So see that this is my clock pulse value, right? So here 1, here 0, right? Value changes from 0 to 1, 1 to 0, right? So this is the negative edge. Again 1 to 0, right? Negative edge. 1 to 0, right? Negative edge. 1 to 0, right? Negative edge. Positive edge means 0 to 1, negative edge means 1 to 0. If you identify the output based on these edges, then it is called as the edge triggering. Two types, one is positive edge triggering or rising edging, another one is the negative edging or falling edging. So if you see that from A to B, right? So B to C what we call, it is called as the level triggering. From A to B what? It is the positive edge. From C to D what? It is down, right? It is called as the negative edge. From D to E, right, 0, right, it is called as the level triggering mechanism, low level triggering mechanism. That's it.